It's Penny and the professor. Here's Penny.
Well, that was fun, huh? I hope you guys enjoyed the singing of the book, My Five Senses by Margaret Miller. What did you guys think? Did you guys like it? Yeah? Oh, they loved it too. So that brings me up to thinking about how we use our senses every day. So we just used our sense of hearing to listen to a book, but we were also using our sense of sight to look at the pictures and to watch the video and see what was going to happen next. So I'm wondering, do people just use one sense at one time, or do they use more than one sense at a time? It's kind of a big question I've been thinking about. I mean, right now, I'm using my sense of hearing to hear cars going by on the road. I'm using my sense of smell to smell that dinner is cooking in the kitchen. It's a crock pot dinner. It smells really amazing. I'm pretty excited about dinner tonight. I'm using my sense of touch to touch my pets and hold everybody here so that we can all be on camera together today. And I am using my sense of sight to see you guys. And I can see my room and my pets and my office and my book in front of me. So I'm using that a lot right now. So I'm using more than one sense at a time. And that's something interesting to me because sometimes I think that we think we are just seeing and that's all, or we're just hearing and that's all. But we're really using more than one sense at one time. And so that brings me to our vocabulary wall. I think we need to make sure we have all of those senses down because Fluffy's question was, what are our five senses? So let's do an echo read of our sense words that are on our vocabulary wall for Module 1 so far. So I'll say the word, and then you say it after me. And I will, since we're all sitting here together, I will point to us when it's our turn to say the word and point to you when it's your turn. So let's try some echo reading. Let's try this word first. See. Nice job. And remember the sign for see? See? Like I see you. I can see you. Okay, and then the second one, let's do smell. So my turn first, smell. Nice job, boys and girls. So smell, good one. Okay, let's try, how about hear? Hear. Good job, boys and girls, and that's the sign for hear. Okay, and then my turn. Taste. Now your turn. Good job. So taste, taste. And if you wanted to say it was really tasting delicious, you just take your finger and instead of just saying taste, you go delicious, delicious, right off of your mouth there, delicious. Okay, and then how about this one? Touch. Good job, guys. So that's touch, perfect. All right, so we've got all of those. See, we got hear, we got smell, we got taste, we got touch, and then the word for all of those things is senses, right? Senses, and that's like over our heart. Senses, a couple of touches. So we learned all about those by noticing, by looking closely, and by wondering about the book and about all of the people in the book. So we've learned a lot, you guys. In fact, I think, do you guys think we should tell them about it? Yeah, me too. We've decided that you guys are ready for the Knowledge Journal. The Knowledge Journal is the most amazing journal on the planet. It's even a little bit better than our vocabulary journal because the vocabulary journal just has a bunch of words in it that we know, that we've been learning, which is important. Agreed. But the Knowledge Journal is about all of the knowledge that we have. And so in the first part of the Knowledge Journal, which I'll post right up here, on the left side of our Knowledge Journal, we are going to put down all of the things that we know now, the new things that we've learned and the knowledge that we've gained from learning about our senses so far and reading the book, My Five Senses by Margaret Miller. So I'm thinking, do you guys know anything that we could put in our Knowledge Journal? What do you guys know so far that you've learned? Let's see what Fluffy knows. Fluffy knows that there are 5 senses. So we'll write in our Knowledge Journal, I know there are 5 senses. I bet we all know that, so we can put that in there for the whole class. Perfect. How about Penny? Do you know anything that we could put in our Knowledge Journal? Our class Knowledge Journal? Nice. Penny says, I know senses help me enjoy the world. So we'll put that in our knowledge journal because we all learned that main topic, or that essential meaning is that our senses help us enjoy the world around us. So we'll add that to our knowledge journal. And then Ellie, do you have an idea that we can add up there? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So Ellie was saying that she learned something from looking at that painting, Les Gourmet, and she wants to put on in our knowledge journal that artists use color to show how they feel. Remember in Les Gourmet where the artist was feeling kind of blue, and so there's a lot of blues in the painting? She thinks that's really cool, that artists can show how they feel through color. So we're going to add that to our knowledge journal. And then I want you guys to think about what's something new that you know now that you didn't know before we started looking at the painting Les Gourmet and looking at the book My Five Senses by Margaret Miller. What's something you know now that's new knowledge for you, so that we can think about putting that in our knowledge journal under What I Know. Tell us in the discussion what you know now since you've been learning, and I'll see you guys next time on Penny and the Professor. Bye now.